So here we are again, picking up where we left off, and we've opened back up Smiley Face version 1, and it's time to basically modify this algorithm that we came up with to be utilizing the mirroring algorithm as opposed to the rotation algorithm, right? So now we've said the selection of the mouth is still part of our goal here. We say set one curve. It still works, but now we know that we got to gut this part of the script because the final port of call cannot be the rotate command. It has to be mirroring the mouth, yes? So again, we're going to flex those muscles from the first portion of the lessons where we said, what is the main first thing that we try if we don't know Grasshopper? Again, this series is based off for beginners. If you don't know, you double click the canvas and you type mirror, or you go to grasshopper3d.com and you type mirror and you try and figure out what's going on. And in this case, again, the emoji right away kind of shows you what you want, mirror an object. And again, it's about kind of understanding. The first thing I do, if this is the first time I've used the component, I zoom in and I hover over it and I say, it says mirror an object. And the inputs for this is a piece of geometry. Great, that's what I have. I have a curve. And a plane. And you might be tempted, again, just like we did with the rotate command, you come in here, you put this in, and now you even know about the panel, so you'd put this out here. You go, wow, it worked, but I don't see a smile. And you'd even remember the trick of middle mouse wheel and pressing this guy, and you'd see that where is my mouth, and it's kind of over here in Timbuktu. And it's the exact same problem as the rotate before, is the default plane that's been given, if I go into perspective view, has been given as the world YZ plane. So the picture that we're seeing here from top view where the mouth shows up over here is perfectly logical, absolutely logical. And this is exactly the same situation we found ourselves in when we first tried to do the rotate, because we realized that we didn't develop the algorithm enough on paper because we didn't define the plane of rotation. So before we had all of this, which defined the plane of rotation, we had to go back to the drawing board and figure out how we were going to do that. In the same way here, we know now there's a battle to be waged in order to get this to be the correct plane. So let's go back to the drawing board and get a better version of our algorithm going so that we can actually get the computer to help us out using this new, from first principles, algorithm.